So I had a great weekend. Let me tell you about the drive to my in laws. It was a 3-day weekend. My wife and I drove about 100 kilometers to visit her family. The weather was perfect, blue sky, warm sun, and not much traffic on the expressway. We were in a good mood. Music was playing, and we were enjoying the drive. After about an hour, I saw a sign. I thought it said our exit. I took it, but it was the wrong exit. We were on a small road I didn't know. My wife looked at me. She said, "Why did you exit?" She wanted to eat at the service area. I just shrugged. We drove slowly down the road. It was quiet and pretty. There were rice fields on both sides. Then I saw a small sign by the road. It said, Soba, homemade, open today. My wife said, "Oh, should we try it?" I said, "Yes, let's stop." The restaurant was very small, just a few tables inside. An older woman was cooking in the kitchen. We ordered 2 bowls of soba. They came with a small side dish and some green onion on top. The soba was really good. Fresh noodles, clear broth, simple and delicious. We ate slowly and enjoyed it. There was no hurry. After lunch, we got back on the expressway. It was easy to find from there. We arrived about 30 minutes late. Her family didn't mind at all. I told them about the wrong exit and the soba shop. My brother in law laughed and says, "That sounds like a good mistake." I think he was right. It really was a good mistake. Sometimes the wrong road takes you somewhere nice. I want to go back to that soba shop someday. Anyways, that was my weekend. Not bad for a wrong exit, right?